Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best brother sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother XR9550PRW sewing and quilting machine. For the ultimate in stitch selection, check out the Brother XR9550PRW. It has a whopping 110 options for stitches, all available at the push of a button. There are also 8 different foot accessories including zigzag, overcasting, and blind stitch. In addition to that, this machine features 8 buttonhole styles to choose from. It means that you can design an amazing outfit in details, up to the buttonhole style, and be able to create it all with the Brother XR9550PRW. This is a computerized sewing machine, which means that you can select from all of its many sewing options with the help of an easy-to-read LCD screen. It has both a free arm capability to sew sleeves and cuffs, and a wide table for large garments like quilts. So, whether small or big, your sewing project can be completed. The Brother XR9550PRW has an amazing 25-year limited warranty, so this sewing machine has been built to last a lifetime. There is also free technical phone support available, so if there are any issues, the answers are just a phone call away. The machine itself is durable but lightweight, and it comes with a nice carrying handle. It is portable and easy to move around the house. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Brother SC600 sewing and embroidery machine. If you are in search of a dependable sewing machine perfect for embroidery, look to the Brother SC600. It can produce 710 stitches per minute, which is perfect for any sewing projects. There are 103 different stitches that you can choose from, so no matter the project or embellishment, there is a stitch for you. There are also 7 different foot accessories to help you achieve your final goal. The automatic needle threader speeds up the process of any sewing project, and the Brother SC600 also comes with a convertible free arm. The Brother SC600 incorporates the latest technology with its LCD screen and a built-in USB port. This means that you can download or design your own patterns and then share .pas documents with the sewing machine. Gone are the days trying desperately to create something from memory or mere paper pattern. While the Brother SC600 will work for any avid sewer, it is especially geared for those who like to embroider. With its unique accessories and intricate stitches, no matter what you design, this sewing machine will help you produce it. At number 3, we have the Brother CS5055PRW sewing machine. If you're looking for choice, then the Brother CS5055PRW has all the answers. It has 50 stitch choices, 87 stitch functions, 5 buttonhole styles, and 7 foot accessories, making it perfect for just about any sewing project you may have. The stitch speed is 850 stitches per minute, which is actually quite fast, so you may want to ease into the max speed when you first try it out. Consider the Brother CS5055PRW a sewing machine for intermediate sewers. It has more options than the more basic Brother XM2701 and comes with an LCD screen. This makes it easy to select a stitch style and stitch width. It is still nice and lightweight, meaning you can travel quite easy with this sewing machine, from the home to the quilt shop, and everywhere in between. The top threads and the bobbins are easy to use, which is great if you want to quickly get started on your next project. Overall, you can create custom sewing projects easily and quickly with the Brother CS5055PRW. At number 2, we have the Brother sewing and quilting machine. If you are in simplicity, then look to the Brother CS6000i sewing machine. Its LCD display screen makes selecting a type of stitch easy to make. There is an automatic needle threader, so you never need to worry about maneuvering thread through a tiny hole. They're also easy to follow threading instructions, so even with your first time using this sewing machine, you can get it started quickly. As for choice, there are 60 different stitches to choose from, plus 7 buttonhole styles. The machine comes with 9-foot accessories including zigzag, overcasting, and blind foot. Whatever you are making, from fashion clothes to a baby quilt, you can find success with the Brothers CS6000i. Included with your Brothers CS6000i is a seam ripper, 3 bobbins, 3 spool caps, a cleaning brush, a needle set, and much more. This machine wants you to succeed and provided all the tools necessary. There is also an oversized table that you can attach to the Brothers CS6000i, which is perfect for making tablecloths or quilts. The machine features a free arm function for cuffs and collars. It is definitely a multi-purpose machine. And finally at number 1, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine. Not all sewers want to create masterpieces. Some just want to be able to hem pants and maybe make a pillowcase. If you are a beginner or just an occasional sewer, then the Brother XM2701 is perfect for you. While it is a budget pick, and therefore does not have all the bells and whistles of other sewing machines, the XM2701 is still dependable and versatile. It can produce 800 stitches per minute, which makes quick work of any major projects. There are 27 built-in stitches to choose from, which is all that most sewers need. There are also 6-foot accessories. While there is no LCD display like other, more sophisticated machines have, the dials are all easy to use. For those who can become frustrated with sewing, take heart, as the Brother XM2701 offers a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. Bobbins are tiny but can quickly derail a sewing project, so this feature is great for any beginner sewers. The Brother XM2701 is made from white plastic with an eye-catching blue pattern on the front. If you have the space to keep it out, it will look quite nice in any room. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.